Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? I'm going to shout out. There is my new YouTube friend which I met yesterday. He said to me if I can shout out his channel. I said of course I can. So shout out to the Life in the Universe. Life in the Universe. This is his channel. And then since I am doing this shout out, I might as well do shout out to my other whitey friends. Shout out to my dream life. That is my good goddaughter Marisa and his son Caleb, life in the island. And then shout out to my very nice I just met her in YouTube, but he is a very kind woman, Alicia in Spain. And then Wings Life, he is also a very nice and very supportive. And then Dote Rosales Official, my cousin. Maniel G's Vlog, my little sister, which I met her in YouTube, but she's also married to a Swede, so she's living here in Sweden. And then Miss LY Vlog, very supportive. Juan Badol, my little sister also. Yabagis, my little brother. Moments and Events, my son here TV, my son here in YouTube. Real Vlog, my kababayan from Eastern Samar, and also Sagwan from Eastern Samar. God's Daily Inspiration, they have that very nice and very beautiful videos for God and in other, but most of all about God. So I think for me, I like those videos of them. Lucy Ranit, she is a very nice woman. And Tomas Morgado, his channel is showing beautiful places in his place. Sherit Liket, she's married to not German, but they are living in Germany. And Malusia 77, she is my little sister who only wake up in the night time just to watch my video. Mercy Gasisi Bay, she is also very supportive. Kusina ni Nanay, my ever dearest little sister. Bing Del Rosario, she is also very kind and very supportive. No Bagay, she is very kind and supportive to my channel. And also Glor Biloy, Jamsi J Official, my Lodi, who is also very kind. Bunggang CCTV, thank you. Easy Way, my friend here in YouTube, she is very kind. City and Rene, also thank you. Boy Eva channel, also my Lodi, he is very kind. My Everything, thank you for the support. And Kiss Jidaser, thank you also. Runggulawi, I think he is from Thailand, he is also very kind. And Misut Dinis, he is also my foreigner friend here in YouTube, very kind and supportive. LY Lergy TV, thank you very much. DXB Vic TV, he is my little brother who is very kind. Just Because TV, thank you very much for the support. Wonder My, thank you little sister. Atishi Collection, that is also one of my very supportive and Racer Vlog. 60 Pogi, Leo Pogi TV. Also, thank you very much. It's Gracie from Brisbane. Thank you very much, my little sis. Armani Arcahops 90. He is also a very nice, very kind friend. Wing Loyola, my new friend who is very kind. Her channel is a very nice channel. Jubil channel. Also my Lodi and my little brother here in YouTube. Hussein Dennis, thank you, my foreigner supportive friend. Bill Bernards, thank you, my little sister. And then, I will read all here, my friends here, which is here in my, here. Wonder My, Family and Sea Life TV, Tiso Japan, World of G, Ima Kabila, Jackpot Slot Fantasies, Ate Din's Vlogs, Visayan Explorer TV, Juby Kamal, It's Emily, Veron Channel, Adrian Vlogs, Baladja, Jadiya, Inay Journey, Ronnie Marano, MG Bazar, Im's Lifestyle and Cooking, Maria Dolores Lee, Kai Andy, Simply ni Kai, Franny Charlene Bishop, Nining's Life in the Province, Vlog, Go to Jazz, Yorimoto, Lilang Jo, Nanay Bilin and Maki, Utako 2021, Ibnor John is, The Funniest and Funny Guy, Close Vlog, Yana in Qatar, Norik 2021, Kylie Somrali, Bistuto, Miss Lorna Channel, Love Pilapil, Lizzie Corner, B. Jaco, Lina 15 FM Vlog, Vanding TV, Ranger of Rangers Vlogger, Jinmin, Sayon OFW Quit, GGA Pinoy Chicken Farm, Dipora Boy Adventure PL, Dayang Angel Adventures, Juday in Oman, Meets 35 Channel, Inday Kikay Official, Dan Pugi TV, Miss G, Malurabang, Mama Mills Vlog, Charito Dagupion, Min Julie, Mary Ann ni Pobreng OFW, Dreamboy Naganyo, Silly Coleman, Bernardo Siblings Vlog, Amanda Anges, Rizin Rinis Diary, AMP TV, Japan Life, Michelle Vanessa Mateo, My Everything, Romel Blanza Vlog, Amber and Mommy Vlog, Diti Summertide, Let's Go, Worthy, Chief Beans Culinary, Indak Giri, Bicolanang Maorot, MG Bips Barrel, I have already said Jubil, BF Travel and Play TV, Gonzales Fam TV, Garden Plus Graphics, Alma Manlapos Vlogs, Lilin Taniyo, Kachung Bin Vlog, E.T. and Jacob, Christian Kagandahan, Mariklams Vlog, Mamitis Kusina, Bunggang CCTV, Iman Bungkaras Official, Aileen Olorvida, G Enjoy, GG Talk, Kuya Lupin, Dilis Life, Art Travel Adventures, Mimi Gili, Ira Serico, Filipina Wisconsin na USA, Filipina TV, Home of TikTok, Nanay's Legacy, Kawan Ko TV of OFW na dating Palaboy, Marlon Gisalva, Luz Sablan, Olive Bain, Atinids Channel, Just and Jules Vlogs, Jinsky ng Japan TV, Marifi Dispasyo, Jamsi G Official, Gutsima Life, Vanjila Musti, Chukuni C, Julandar Galmak, Beauty Health Vlogs, If It's V Bag Collections, Kabilogers Official, Daily Marie Vlog, Muscle Star Beauty Line, Myro Motor Vlog, Kuntiyudi Animal, Robert Princelio, Olisa Yen, Scott Spinay Vlog, Leonard 4321 Vlog, Niljon Vlogs, Coverly Family USA, Johnny Sabanal, Easy Outdoor TV, Nitdam TV, Olsen TV, Elvira's Kusina Lutong Bahay, Panganiban Family Vlogs, Dad and Ali Cox, Ang Pobreng Guwapa, Bilayar Yuk, Jang Ranlif, Lucilo Lombris, Nubagay, King Harold TV ni Bigoti, Water Smells, Dina Jordan, Ju Plantito Vlogs, Mercy Loves Gardening, Rodora Olivas Matchakon, DJ Jansky, Glor Biloy, Wilmar Second Vlogs, Finn and Coco Vlogs, Momon Adventures, By G Vlog, Lilibit Shin, Charlotte Indino, Sunashi Adi, Just Because TV Trophies, Huseyin Dinis, Family Nipel, Lahina Lawin, Makis TV, Lynn Cantara, Nitchip Chicken Spinel, Filipina Inkibik, Inday Kunyang, Buhay OFW Malaysia, Paparoy TV, Jasmine Alam 888, Kuya Red TV, Maribel Madira TV, Ilocano Proud Singer Vlog, Rosemary Lasida, Pakdi Sumarso, Sibay Vlogs, Nicole's Channel C, Vince Loria Official, MG Escario, Otik 94 TV, GLC Channel, Chow Herrera Official, Inday Marikita, Bing Del Rosario Castillo, Nguyen Trong Ikar, About Anything by GMC, Rachel Anghag, Cristianong Rabasiro, Kilsis TV, Marifi Basilio, Bornales Furniture Vlogs, Ray Di Bisaya, Spring Rusk, Junalu Season, Janine Sambayon, Corsonada, Kusina ni Butchoy, Mercy Gasis Sibay, Jonathan Alfie Armerin, Lodi Jan Official, Kusina kun Miss Hiyos Vlog, Ichigo TV, Frida Boltridge, Dung Arms TV, Melodies P&E, Amit Musafir Dines, Lixrel Vlogs, Amifil Suplito, ART Vlog, Neil G. Person Reparip, in BG Electrical, Juby Brolis Vlog in Australia, Pinkin Chiland, Rix TV, Just for Fun Vlogs, NBE Bulwark, Kishus Channel, Rani Maxi, OMG On Air USA, Kuya Moto, Hermi Hernandez TV, Eugene Trops TV, Jid Gidi, Iras Vlog, Francis Bunson, Darmix Videos, Inday Mincho, Sean and Family, Halo-Halo Mix, Misot Dinis, Tim Sintonado, Ronggulawi Bangkit, Reno's Wonderland, Juna Official Vlog, All Around Dad by Val Anolat, Richard Corsino Vlog, Juliet Basotlin, Roy Vlog, June Batara Vlog, Ronilo Tumpang, Kakal Kulit TV, Funny Video, Samit Angin, Glenn Abtridge, Angeline Arintok, Ilsa Miguel, Malusia 77, Makatulong 1, Top Trending World TV, SM, My Everything, in Not Your Toy, Cut This Sins, Casimiro Badayos, Night Streamer 2, Swedish ko na, yung 2 kasi 2 sa ano yun sa Swedish, Pips TV, My Life, Royana Ghost 101, YSL Vlogs Twin, Arthur Badilis, Marlene Nabablit, CG Fernandez, and that's all. Shout out to all of my YouTube friend, and thank you very much for the support. Stay connected, and have a nice day to all of you and to all people in the world, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.